Hi, welcome back to Channeling Luxury. So this is my little mini haul from Paris, and I'm going to show you some ready-to-wear pieces for men and women, and also a piece of jewelry. So this is for another video, a surprise video I will post later. So stay tuned and keep a lookout for that one. So a couple of things to show you here. Do my unboxings fast. This is actually a gift for someone. So hopefully she's not watching this video right now, but it is a silver necklace with a couple of pieces of rose gold. And it was actually the only one in Europe, and stamped Hermes, and really beautiful piece. And reasonably priced considering the quality of the silver. So that is one. All right, so the next one. This was one of my favorites for a very long time, but had not picked it up. Actually, this is something different. So this is a woman's dark blue belt. And on the inside, so this is new for this season, it's yellow, a light yellow, and dark blue on the outside. And as you know, the buckles are interchangeable, so you can get a variety of styles and types. Just don't try to open the little package fast, because apparently it doesn't work. And I'll show you. This one is just, I have the rose gold that's kind of flat looking, and this one has a lot of texture to it. So I picked the texturized one this time, and again in rose gold, because even though my daughter says rose gold is for old people, it's my preference of jewelry colors. I'll show you what else picked up on this little mini haul. It was a mini haul because in spite of the million boxes and bags here, it's how they package it. It's not that there's a lot of things here, but the packaging is, as you all know, pretty extensive. All right, let's try this guy. Let's see what's in this one. Since they're mystery boxes to me now, I don't know how they actually box it. This one, maybe the piece. Nope, still not the piece I was thinking of. So this is a men's belt, and it's also dark blue on the outside, but it has also like kind of dark teal blue on the inside. So super wearable both for fall and for spring. And again, you can just use your own buckle that you already have. You don't need to purchase a new one. I don't like changing my buckles out, so I tend to pick one up. They're a couple $100, but if you don't mind doing it, then it's a nice way to save money and just reuse your buckle. All right, next one will be this guy. So this is a Kelly pendant, and it's in white gold. So they don't have yellow gold. So I learned on this trip actually that 70% of gold that's sold at Hermes in Europe is now rose gold. So I guess yellow gold's kind of fading out. So this one was unusual in that it was white gold. They didn't have many pieces, almost all exclusively rose gold. So they had rose gold with sapphire, which is a little less expensive, and then they had this white gold, which really pops against the skin, regardless of how light you get in the winter. Like myself, be a ghost and still be able to see this on the skin. So very pretty, and glad that I got white gold for something different than my usual rose. All right, so usually ready to wear, as you know, when is this bag. I actually don't know how they package them. I don't know what's in each one, so this is a surprise to me too. So this one, well, actually this is one of my favorite things that we picked up in years at Hermes. So this is a men's sweater. And so I'll tell you something about it if you are picking one up for a gift for someone or looking for it, is that the sizing is not much different between the small and the medium and large. So this one's a large just so it fits oversized. And the detail is really cool. I'll show you the back as well. But if you're looking between sizes, there's really not much difference. A man who's about 5'10", 5'11", and decent build is literally going to fit in all three. So it just depends how you want it to be. How you want it to fit on the body, if you want it to be more snug or if you want it to be a little bit looser. All right, now the ladies ready to wear, because the only one left. Wrong size for me. I went oversized because it's all they had, but I love the color. So if you're a light skin or have lighter eyes, this is a pretty cool design. I actually think it's from last season, not the current one, but it is a very pale mauve with kind of a bit of off-white coloring to it, and it's just a sweater, but simple and very casual, easy. You can toss it on with shorts, jeans, leggings, whatever you want. And little small details here. But overall, it's a pretty nice piece. This is actually, for sizing purposes, a 38, which is pretty big. A 34 may have actually fit in this one, but they didn't have it, and oversized is okay. All right, so I know some of you are wondering if this is a bag. See, it's not. Just heads up. That will come later. Different video. So these boots, these things kick ass. Okay, I have them in black, and I love them. And they are the weight of a feather. They weigh nothing. I did wear them a few times in the rain in black, and they are decently waterproof. I wouldn't say they're waterproof, but they're definitely water resistant. And they weigh nothing. They're awesome. So if you're gonna pack with them, they're comfortable enough to wear pretty much all day, and you don't need to have a ton of weight added to your suitcase. So this one, you see the orange detail inside. I actually sized up. So my usual size is 35. This is a 36 and a half. The 36 fit, 36 and a half felt better. So I recommend sizing up in this one. Last season's laces were mixed with white, so they were the color plus white. This season is orange. So this is orange and brown. So I got them in this tan color, and then I also picked them up in one other color, which I'll show you. Actually, looks like they gave us the white laces also. Maybe this is just for the white one. So this is a white pair, and then obviously bright white laces. I don't know what color laces the other one are. I have to look at it. So kind of an off-white color on the front, but very snow white on the side. Snow white heel. Inside is also just white. We don't have the orange detailing. Well, white and gray. And also sized up on this one. They didn't have a 36 and a half, so I went for the 36. I will actually have to stretch it even though I'm a 35. So, but again, super lightweight. They're very reasonably priced considering. I'm like around 600 for the ladies. And yeah, I think they're just super comfortable, nice boots. So hopefully for the long run, they'll be a good investment. The last piece of ready to wear is a men's piece, and I'll show you what it is. Really similar to the women's, but a different color. It's a men's version of the boot. So I actually think this is a better color than the women's. I wish they had this for ladies. So even the men's version is super lightweight. And that was a second redo because I dropped it the first time. The size here is also orange inside, orange detail on the laces, and this thing, like, I think 2 of my feet could fit in here, but nevertheless, also very reasonably priced for what they are, and decently comfortable. Haven't actually tried this one on and just flop around, and the same water resistance. So a good buy for this one. So that's it from Paris for ready to wear. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful day.